If you could sound like anyone on planet Earth in the next 60 seconds using nothing but AI, what would you do with that power? In this video, I'm giving you a complete breakdown of ElevenLabs, the tool I've personally used to do just that: clone my own voice, build automated content systems, and create insanely realistic audio with just a few clicks. Whether you're a creator, a developer, or just curious about voice cloning, this guide is packed with everything you need to know, from features to benefits to real-world use cases and insider tips. Let's dive in. So what exactly is ElevenLabs? At its core, it's an AI voice generation and cloning platform. But unlike older text-to-speech tools that sound robotic and flat, ElevenLabs creates voices that are almost indistinguishable from real humans. We're talking full emotional range, perfect pacing, natural cadence, and even subtle inflections in tone. This isn't just voice generation, it's performance-level narration on demand. And it's used by content creators, authors, teachers, app developers, game studios, even major brands to bring their ideas to life with stunning realism. I've personally used ElevenLabs for multiple projects. One of my favorites is an AI-powered affirmation generation tool. It automatically creates and posts daily videos with inspirational messages using ElevenLabs voices to speak the affirmations in a calm, clear tone that people actually want to listen to. It's an automated system. I load in the text prompts and everything else runs on autopilot. No voice actors, no post-production editing, just clean, human-like audio that's instantly ready to go. I've also cloned my own voice using ElevenLabs, and it's freakishly accurate. The personality, the tone, even my natural speaking rhythm, all captured in a way that feels completely real. This gave me the power to produce long-form video scripts in my own voice without actually recording a single line of audio. And that's why I'm excited to walk you through what this platform can actually do. Let's break it down. First up, the text-to-speech engine. This is the core of ElevenLabs. Just type out your script, pick a voice, hit generate, and you've got human quality audio in seconds. But it's not just any voice. You get access to a massive library of pre-trained voices in a wide variety of tones, accents, and languages. You can tweak the speed, change the clarity settings, and adjust something called stability, which controls how expressive or consistent the voice is across long passages of text. And here's the kicker. Voices don't just say words, they deliver performances. The voices pause naturally, they emphasize the right phrases, they can even shift emotion mid-sentence based on context.
The night air carried whispers of betrayal.
When I was testing the affirmation tool, I ran the same phrase, something simple like, "You are enough," through multiple voice settings, and the difference was night and day. One version sounded calm and soothing, another was firm and motivational, another had a slight melancholic tone that felt deeply personal, all from the same input, just different voice models and clarity settings. Next, let's talk about voice cloning. This is one of the most powerful and talked about features on the platform. You can upload a clean sample of your own voice or anyone's voice with permission, and have ElevenLabs train a custom AI model that replicates it with shocking precision.
This playful leap is a calculated masterpiece.
There are two modes, standard and professional. Standard mode is perfect for quick cloning and casual use. Think YouTube channels or internal training videos. It creates higher fidelity voice models that can be used in commercial productions, video games, client projects, or even audiobooks. I used professional mode to train my own voice model, and the result was so close to the real thing, even people I know couldn't tell the difference. And the best part? Once it's trained, you can use it anywhere inside ElevenLabs. You can script podcasts, narrate long-form YouTube videos, build entire courses, all with your voice and zero studio time. Now let's step into the Voice Lab. This is where things get creative. The Voice Lab lets you design your own voices from scratch. You can blend characteristics from multiple voices, change the pitch, tone, delivery style, and even emotional flavor. You can build a character voice for a game, a brand voice for your startup, or a storyteller voice for bedtime stories, and reuse it across every project you work on. Another standout feature is projects. This feature lets you create entire audio timelines inside the platform. You can upload scripts, generate voiceovers, insert music tracks, and line everything up like you would in a video editor. This is ideal for long-form content. Think documentaries, marketing videos, courses, or multi-language presentations. And if you're working globally, you'll love multilingual dubbing. ElevenLabs can take a video you've already created, translate it into over 20 languages, and then regenerate the audio using your cloned voice. So you can speak Japanese, Spanish, Hindi, even German, and the final result actually sounds natural. This is a game changer for scaling content internationally without hiring separate voice actors for every market. Now, let's talk API access. If you're a builder like me, this is where ElevenLabs gets really exciting. Their API gives you full programmatic access to everything inside the platform. That means you can integrate voiceovers into apps, build custom AI voice assistants, add dynamic voices to e-learning platforms, or even automate daily content creation like I did with affirmations. And the voices sound so good, people won't even question whether it's AI. I've seen developers use this to create fully autonomous support agents that sound empathetic and clear, and that's miles ahead of robotic voice bots that people used to hang up on. Let's talk about who's actually using this tech. Educators are using ElevenLabs to make learning more engaging, translating lessons into multiple languages, and keeping students locked in with storytelling voices. Game developers are using it to voice entire characters in real time. No recording booths, no endless retakes. YouTubers are building faceless channels that still feel personal because the voice has presence and power. Even without a face on screen, authors are turning books into audiobooks, even in their own voice with just a text file. Now let's quickly touch on pricing. ElevenLabs has one of the most flexible pricing models out there. There's a free tier that lets you test out the platform and even create small projects. The creator plan is great for YouTubers, voiceover artists, and content teams who want more minutes, better quality, and access to cloning. Then there's the professional and enterprise plans, which include full commercial usage rights, API integration, and advanced voice controls. It's affordable and it scales with you, which I really appreciate, especially if you're just getting started. Before we wrap up, let me leave you with this. Voice is identity. Voice builds connection. Whether you're running a business, growing a channel, or building the next AI app, how you sound matters. And ElevenLabs gives you the tools to control that sound, clone it, scale it, and share it with the world. So if you're ready to test it for yourself, I've dropped a link in the description below where you can get started totally free. If you're building with AI, scaling content, or just want to sound more like you, this is one tool you don't want to ignore. And if you want to see exactly how I used ElevenLabs to build my automated affirmation system and other AI tools, hit that subscribe button. I've got full breakdowns, walkthroughs, and step-by-step guides coming up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.